Welcome to Weekly Code Quickies, the show where you get your quick dose of the latest technology and web development updates. I'm your host, Norbert PM, bringing you episode number 44 with the need-to-know tools for CSS in order to increase your speed as a front-end web developer. All links and educational materials are in the show notes, so please check them out if you are so inclined. Now, with this being said, let's get started with number one, which is Hamburgers by John Su, which is a delightful collection of CSS animation hamburgers icons. They serve as perfect additions to your menus and navigation bars, ensuring your site with engaging animations and interactivity, of course. We have slider, we have square, we have arrow alternative, arrow turn, spin, elastic, emphatic, collapse, vortex, minus, spring, stand, and also a couple of 3D ones, but of course a boring one. But next up, we have CSS Scan. Now, CSS Scan simplifies the task instantly copying CSS from any website. This powerful tool is invaluable for studying other designs and promptly applying similar styles to your own project, of course. We can just hover over elements in a web page by having this enabled, and it's going to show us the CSS. Now, of course, this is a paid one, so take it with a grain of salt. Is it helpful for you? Does it bring anything for you or not? That one, you have to make your mind up on your own. But next up, we have our Glassmorphism generator. Embrace the Glassmorphism trend with this intuitive generator. It enables you to effortlessly create cross-class effects for your UI elements, embodying them with a modern and stylish aesthetic. Now, as you can see here, you can change the blur value, you can change the transparency value, and you can then just copy and paste your code into, or this code, into your own code. Next up, we have Shadows by Brom.af, which will enhance your design with refined shadows. Now, this tool enables the creation of multi-layer shadows, introducing depth and realism in your elements by simply changing layout shadows, final transparency, final horizontal distance, final vertical distance, final blur strength, and reduce spread. As you can see here, the code is already in here, so you just need copy and paste it in your own. Simple as that. Our skills as a copy-paste web developer just increase. But nevertheless, exceptional tool, because why do this on your own if you can save time, especially when it's time that is paid. So next up, we have another time-saving one, which is CSS Buttons. Explore an extensive library of ready-to-use CSS buttons. Tailor them to match your site's design, or use them as an inspiring craft for your own unique buttons. Now you can play around here with simple buttons, with buttons that have rotations, animations in them, buttons that have logos in them, Apple Store, Google, Microsoft, buttons that have effects, that have animations, blurs. Now you can just simply click on them and you're going to get the entire code ready for you to copy and paste, again, increasing your skills as copy and paste web developers. I'm just kidding. It is a real time changer. I often use this on my own, but later on I created my own buttons, so I have my own library, which you can do your own. If you don't do that, then check out this site. It's going to be a huge time saver for you. Next up, we're going to take a look at CSS Glow Generator. This will illuminate your web elements with the CSS Glow Generator, ideal for lightning or crafting neon effects, adds a luminous touch to your design. Now, by increasing blur or glow range, you can play around with these effects, again, receiving a simple to use code. Also, you can change the color. By all means, let's go pink. Why not? And there we go. We have a different glowing effect. Simply copy the code, paste it in, and use it as your own. Simply copy the code, ready to use in your own designs. Animista. This serves as a playground for CSS animations. Dive into a plethora of animations ranging from simple rotations, intricate sequences, experiment-free, and seamlessly integrate your chosen animation into your project. By simply clicking through the options, you're going to get the ready-to-use code for animation like slide, swing, slide back, slide forward, rotations, shadow drops, rotate 90 degrees, scale up, scale down, and so far and so on. Check them out on your own. Again, all of the links are down in the video description below. Also, they are on my blogs. Actually, I'm going to paste the blog down in the video description so you can see all of the links at once. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Happy coding. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.